BlueDriver Nation, Jim and Chris coming to you today on a 2007 Honda Civic. This is like an MVP series. This repair is so easy. It is the mass airflow sensor. If your BlueDriver has pulled a P0171 or a P0172, it might be your mass airflow sensor. Chris.
This is so easy we could have been done already, so let's stop wasting time and get to it. Alright, this is really hard, so try to keep up. Disconnect the cable. Pry there, pry there. Put that aside. Unclip, 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 unclip. There's the mass airflow sensor. Alright, so the only thing that could possibly be tricky here is getting these two screws here out if they seize up. This one here, clearly not the stock one. I'd say somebody probably stripped it out. It looks like they stripped it out again, putting the new one in. So be careful there. And that's it. Just check and make sure that the old rubber seal came off with it. You can see it right there. Check and make sure the new sensor has one. You can see it right there. Now there is a specified torque on this. It's 13 inch-pounds, but that's so low we're not going to bother with the torque wrench. I don't even think my torque wrench goes that low. In we go. Clip. Clip. Clip, clip. Both of those in. Plug in the connector, and we're done.
This one was so easy, I could have turned the wrenches in this video. So if this saved you time and saved you money, please like the video and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Until next time, fear no fix.